Hello everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are going to make this pair of earrings. We're going to do the other one of this pair of earrings to match this necklace that I made earlier today. So I figure this is a pretty good matchup with this earring. And first of all, our encouraging word for today is by Thomas Edison, and he said, "Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up." Good wise words from Thomas Edison. All right, so if you want to make this earring, now I have a tutorial for this necklace. It is in the necklaces playlist or the bargain bead box playlist, either one. And we're going to make the earring to match it. So let me get this out of the way. And here is what we have. So there is only one item in here that is not from the bargain bead box this month, and that is this green bead. These are available on their website, beadboxbargains.com. They had them just a few days ago. I hope they still have them. These are the emerald green rectangle beads, and I think they go really pretty with this red. So you're going to need one of those, or any bead of your choice, obviously. One of these shield pendant thingies, 2 bead caps, 1 bicone, 1 ball head pin, 1 eye pin, 1 of the ear wires from the box, a 6mm jump ring, and 1 of the 8mm jasper beads. Now obviously you're going to need to double that, all of this, double it to get your second earring, but I've already made mine, so here is how quick and simple this is. So we're taking our eye pin. Okay, we are going to put on a bead cap. This bead cap has got it's not all the way through. If you have something like that, just take your beading awl. A lot of times it's just the coating or whatever that just needs punched through. Bead cap, 6mm or 8mm jasper bead, second bead cap, and bicone. Okay, and let me straighten up that eye pin. It's a little crooked. And all we're going to do is make a loop here. So I'm bending this 90 degrees, just like that. I'm going to take my cutters and trim this up. And Bargain Bead Box is a monthly beading subscription service. Just going to roll a loop back here. And if you're interested in subscribing, I have an entire playlist that you can view. If you view Bargain Bead Box playlist, it will show you all of the unboxings I have done. And it's a great deal. It's $20 a month delivered straight to your door. All right, we're going to put the ear wire on. Now with these lever backs, you have to remember that the small part, this part, the smaller, see how that's thicker? The smaller part is what goes in your ear. So this is going to be the front of your earring. So just keep that in mind when you're putting this part on. We're going to take an eye pin or a head pin, ball head pin, and we're just going to make a loop. Now normally on a ball head pin, I would not just make a loop. I would always do a wrapped loop because normally they're thinner than these. But this is a thicker one, so I'm just going to make the regular loop on this one because it will hold with this thicker wire. And then all I'm going to do is take my jump ring. I'm going to hang this on first, my little dangle on first, then my pendant piece on, and then making sure that I'm at the front of my earring, and I may have to twist a little here in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and hang that on. Go ahead and close. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. It always happens on video. Always, always does. Okay. Let's pick this up again. And we'll close this right up so it doesn't do that again. And then if you hold this up, and you can see it is hanging a little sideways. So what you want to do is you want to grab this right here, right where you want it to hang. And with your second plier, you want to grab your other loop, and holding your first plier straight, twist your other loop the way that you need it to go. Okay, so we want it to hang this way. So there you go. Okay, so that is a quick and easy pair of earrings using the Bargain Bead Box from December, mostly. I did add that little bead, but you can get that from Bead Box Bargains. So there it is. I think they turn out really cute, and they are super quick and simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're interested in subscribing to Bargain Bead Box, I do have the $2 off coupon. If you don't want to subscribe, but you want to shop in their store and get these beads, you can do that as well and use the $2 off coupon, but you can't use it for both things. So you have to kind of pick which one. You can only use it once. So yeah, Bargain Bead Box. I love them. Check them out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.